안녕하세요. Welcome to ULab Korean class. In this lesson, you are gonna make a negative sentences for the be verbs. As you know, to make negative sentences, the negative not is added after the be verb in English. However, in Korean, the negative 아니에요 replaces the positive 예요 and 이에요. For example, how do you say I'm a teacher in Korean? 저는 선생님이에요. Great, good work. Then how about I am not a teacher? 저는 선생님 아니에요. Yes, you should substitute 아니에요 instead of 이에요. And also there is a very important point. 선생님 is a noun. So there must be a particle indicating that 선생님 is a subject of this sentence. Let's talk about subject particles. Like a topic particles 은 and 는, 이 and 가 are subject particles. For words ending in a consonant, add 이, and for words ending in a vowel, add 가. Consonant plus 이, vowel plus 가. Take a look at these two names, Philip and Yuna. Philip ends with the consonant b, so you should add the subject particle 이. Yuna ends with the vowel a, so you should add subject particle 가. Now it's your turn. Can you find the proper particles for these words? 모델, 이. 양말, 이. Good job. 기자, 가. 모자, 가. So I am not a teacher will be 저는 선생님이 아니에요. 저는 선생님이 아니에요. Let's practice with some more sentences. First, let's check the case of the first person, I. I am not a Spider-Man. 저는 스파이더맨이 아니에요. I am not Korean. 저는 한국 사람이 아니에요. Now let's see the case of the second person, you. I don't know why, but if your mom eats eucalyptus leaves only, you will say, Mom, you are not a koala. 엄마는 코알라가 아니에요. Here, can you see 엄마 in place of a pronoun you? Do you remember the fact that in Korean, the second person pronoun you is omitted or replaced with the job titles, family relation names, or people's names? When your daddy poses like a flying bird, you say, Dad, you are not a bird. 아빠는 새가 아니에요. In the case of the third person, he, she, they. 민수 is not a painter. Can you say it in Korean? A painter is 화가. 민수는 화가가 아니에요. Let's try one more. They are not students. 그들은 학생이 아니에요. The suffix 들 is plural s in English. So you can also say 그 사람들은 학생이 아니에요. 그 사람들 means those people. Can you say singular that person? It will be 그 사람 without 들. Lastly, let's look at the case of the third person, it. This is not a house. House is 집. 이건 집이 아니에요. Tomatoes are not vegetables. 토마토는 채소가 아니에요. In Korea, tomatoes are classified as fruit vegetables. like eggplant, cucumber, and pumpkin. We don't cook with the tomatoes, just eat them like a fruit after washing. Now let's try to make a dialogue using the questions you learned last time and the negative sentences you learned today. 이건 사과예요? 아니요, 사과가 아니에요. 배예요. I'm curious, what do pears in your hometown look like? Is it round or this shape? Of course, 사과가 아니에요 is unnecessary information. So, just 아니요, 배예요 is enough. But for practice, let's use this grammar point. 이건 오렌지예요? 아니요, 오렌지가 아니에요. 참외예요. 참외 is oriental melons. It's a representative summer fruit in Korea. 저건 장미예요? 아니요, 장미가 아니에요. 무궁화예요. 무궁화 is Rose of Sharon. The flower is distributed around the world. Koreans also love this flower. It was designated as the national flower and appears in the national anthem and coins. Okay, did you enjoy this lesson? Was it easy to understand? Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. 다음 시간에 만나요. 안녕히 계세요.